The seller sent me this product to review. You can see that it is let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. A 3 milliliter bottle. Okay, there you go. Here is a can of soda for size reference. And this is for eyelashes. So I don't know if it screws off. It does screw off. Okay, so it screws off. This side should be the applicator. There you go. And then, of course, there is the contents right there. I'll put this back in. So the instructions say to thoroughly clean my eye area to ensure that the base of the eyelash is free from oil and debris. Use the included application brush. Gently apply a small amount of serum to the base of the eyelashes twice daily, in the morning and the evening, for best results. And what this will do, this will help promote natural growth with my eyelashes, strengthening and moisturizing, safe and non-irritating. So we will give this a try and see if it does actually cause irritation or not. I got to try it for the name of the review, right? I'll report back in a few days. Thanks again to the seller for sending me this product to review.